and that looks wonderful. Okay, so for the free method, what you need to do is you need to save these first. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make an icon for your website usage or for other things that are necessary. Now, I won't be diving too much into what you're going to do with it, but I'm going to show you on how you can make one. Now, it's pretty simple, and it's going to be much more simpler if you are actually using Canva Pro. Now, if you want to try out using Canva Pro, you can check out the link in our description, and you should be able to try it out for 30-day free trial, before you decide to, really commit to it. You can try it out for a bit, No stopping you. It's free. It's literally for free. Okay, so let's get into the gist of it. So the first thing that we need to do is need to search up here and start for a design. So I'm gonna be using the logo template that Canva has because it's just similar to an icon, basically, at least in my belief. So it's gonna be 500 to 500 pixels, so that's already big enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with a blank logo. All right. So for this one, we're going to be showing you first on how you can do it the simple and cheap method, which means you don't have to use any money. Now, if you go here to elements, you can have a lot of things that you can use for your icon and use them. You shall, because most of them are for free, but also a lot of them, which are the better ones, are not for free. Okay, so I'm going to be using some that are not for free, and for premium, it doesn't really change a thing. Because like the process will still be the same. I know I'm gonna be using a different element than yours, but it will still be the same. So let's say I'm gonna use a bag because like this is going to be the shopping, the shopping part of my website, and I wanna portray it like this. And it's just a simple bag. There you have it there. I'm just gonna center that, make it larger because it's already small enough, 500 to 500 pixels. Make it larger. Try to fill in the space, fill in the frame. Alright, now let's add another page for another logo or icon. So you can actually also change the color for this. It's up to you. So let's say I'm going to put that in blue. Let's say for this one, there's an email. Okay, let's say I want to put this one over here. I'm just going to enlarge it and make sure it fills the space up. There we go. I can also change the color for this one. And that looks wonderful. Okay, so for the free method, what you need to do is you need to save these first. Yes, of course. You just need to save them even with the white background on the back. So it doesn't really matter because we're going to be working on that later on. So we need to save this as PNG because this is always the best for downloading high quality images. So make sure that you have selected both pages. Go to download. And then you should have your designs here. So it's been zipped into a zip file, and then let's try and extract them first. And then that design over here, let's extract them there, and we have these. So they have white backgrounds, so they're not transparent. Okay, so they're not really ready yet for your icon use because there's going to be white backgrounds on your icon that doesn't necessarily count as an icon yet, unless you want to add some white background to them. So where we need to go next is a website called remove.bg. So what this website does is it removes the background for your images totally for free, but there are limitations. So there are just only a certain number of images that you can upload and remove images in a day. So because it's free, but not all the time, so let's find that. So it's compressed, right? The folder is called compressed. So here we have it. So let's say this one. As you can see, it should soon get rid of that nasty white background, and as you can see, it's now an icon. It's now transparent. So yep, you can just click on download here and you should have your very own icon. And if you're not satisfied with it, you can go ahead and change this PNG to icon format to make sure that it can really work as an icon. Okay, now let's move ahead to the other simple and paid method. Now, what you just need to do is go here to download and click on transparent background over here, and it should download the same thing, but like this, and with a higher quality. So yeah, I hope this makes you consider using Canva Premium now. But yeah, you also still have to go through the same process of converting this to PNG to icon. So it's just similar to how we do it here. Just upload a photo, and this should change the file type to an icon. So it will become a fully fledged icon. Okay, and that's it. That is how you can create icons using Canva for your website use or for any other things. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.